so I'm getting ready to finally decorate for Valentine's Day. Super excited about it, right? So I am like, I want to be minimalist. I don't want to do too much because we don't really celebrate Valentine's Day like that. I just think all of the cute things are cute things that need to be put out in my apartment. So let's just do just a little bit of decorating. I just want to show you guys how I just make myself feel really warm and cozy and romantic at the same time. So just basically everything that I love about me and the things that I like just spread out throughout my home for Valentine's Day. So if you want to see a little bit of Valentine's Day decor, then keep on watching. Guys, so this is everything that I am working with today. Like I said, not a lot because I just wanted to have little bits of Valentine's Day, sprinkle through my house because, spring is still coming. So I still want to have enough room to decorate for spring and Easter. So didn't want to go overboard with Valentine's Day, but look at these flowers, guys. Aren't they just the cutest? I picked these up from Whole Foods. They have this little section where they do like these mini or petite flowers, and I think they're so cute. So your girl bought herself some roses, y'all. I am so excited. So much to do. I have one little DIY that I want to do with all that candy over there. And look, I brought back my little jars from Christmas. So it's always a good thing to think about what you have and how you can repurpose it and reuse it for different holidays. So for this project, I needed a ton of candy hearts and my jars from the holidays that I picked up from the Dollarama. I also needed some cones. These are like styrofoam cones, and then some cling wrap. I just have this press and seal. Love press and seal, by the way. So what I wanted to do was cover up these styrofoam cones and just make sure that none of the styrofoam's leaking out, that kind of thing. What I should have done in hindsight was measure these out before I put them into the bowls. You guys are going to see in a minute when I start filling it with the candy that they are literally too tall. So don't be like me, measure beforehand. I just thought that they were going to be big enough, but they're not. They're just too big. So what I wanted to use these for were like space savers to make sure I have enough candy for each jar. I really didn't want too much candy to work with in the beginning, but I just wanted to make sure that I had enough, and using them as a space saver really helped. There were like cylinder shaped more so cones that I did find in store, but I preferred this shape so that it comes in and looks more full, if that makes sense. But yeah, these cones are way too big.
You said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting.
So once I cut down that cone, I then went ahead and put in my picks and covered up the excess cone with some extra candy. So what I did was, once I cut off that top layer of that cone, I had some of the extra cling wrap sitting on top. I just folded it over the exposed styrofoam and then put one of my picks in and made sure to cover up any open spaces or gaps with any excess candy.
I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking.
Once I was done with the jars, I went ahead and pulled out my Garland. I really like this Garland, guys. Got it from Michael's. I'll try to link everything that I picked up or similar items in the description box as best I can. But I do want to go ahead and mention these little hooks I have from Command. They're so awesome. They're these little clear hooks that I use to go ahead and hang this Garland, guys. I like these clear hooks because 1, they're small, and 2, they're clear so you can't see them, and they're really, really strong. So if you need something hooked onto anything, always grab a Command hook at all times. They are amazing and they do an excellent job. So I'm using that to anchor and hook down this Garland and make sure that it stays in place. I'm using 2 sets of these Garlands and I'm doubling them. These can be opened up wider for longer, but I wanted that double effect so it can look really full. So once that first layer of Garland went down, I found my little gnomes that I picked up from Dollarama, and I used them to cover up the Command strips. So I also added this other pink Garland, and then I have these little heart, and I went ahead and scattered them throughout that pink Garland. So reminiscent of what I did during the Christmas when I put in the Christmas ornaments into my Garland. It's the same idea. So here is what the TV console looks like. I really, really like it. Now moving on to the couch, all I did was ordered some pillow covers from Amazon. I got some velvet pillow covers in 2 different colors or shades of pink. One is a darker shade and one is a lighter shade. I just wanted that contrast happening on the couch because the couch is that gray color. So all I'm doing is taking out the feather pillow and stuffing it into a new cover, guys. This is so cost effective and saves so much money. Instead of buying another set of $30 or $50 pillows, just get yourself some pillow covers and call it a day. I also went ahead and switched out my little throw blanket. I picked up a really comfy, cozy pink one from HomeSense. And I also added a little pink accent hard pillow from HomeSense as well, just to add a little bit of fun to the couch. I think it turned out super duper cute. If I find another hard pillow, I'll probably add it, but right now I think this will definitely do.
Too much of emotions, sometimes I'm the lighting.
Next, I moved on to the kitchen, and the first thing I laid down were these Love kitchen towels. They are already done. I picked them up from HomeSense as well. I just thought they added a pop of color. Now, I do have this open window situation between my kitchen and the living room, but also, again, guys, these flowers, so cute. So I really wanted to add just some florals to that area because we sit in the living room so much and I'm in the kitchen so much. I was like, I need some florals happening. Flowers definitely add a bit of just romance to any type of room. They light up your kitchen or living room wherever you put them with fragrance, and I think it's really cool. I especially love these little mini bouquets from Whole Foods. I think they're so affordable and so beautiful. Guys, I picked up this bouquet for $10. Cannot believe it. So I went ahead and spritzed the plant or the flower bouquet with some water just to make sure that they open up and bloom, and I just set that into that windowsill. I also have this little pitcher and bowl set that I also picked up from HomeGoods. If you guys watched my haul, then you would have definitely seen these. So these I want to use just to put in some candy so we can snack whenever we are in this area. I also have some little napkins. These are some Rae Dunn Happy Valentine's Day napkins. I'm just going to set them out so whenever one of us grabs a candy or a chocolate, we can have those napkins there. But this turned out so super duper cute, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video and got some inspiration for the upcoming Valentine's Day. I went ahead and added some of the leftover little heart decors that I had from the console, and I think that just added a little bit of oomph to this area as well. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing if you have to this video. Don't forget to check out all of the other content that I have here on this channel, and I hope you have an amazing Valentine's Day this year, and I'll see you in my next one really soon. Bye, guys.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that